Hey everybody, welcome. This is the final part of Blizzard vs. Village, and I hope you subscribe. If you liked it, please comment down below. Let's get started, baby. Oh man, it's another snow. It's snowing outside. That's nice. So we're going on adventures, dude. Yeah, let's go on adventures today. Hope nothing happens again. The news says there's no meteors here because there's probably some snow days. So I don't need to worry about it. I can hear something out here. Nothing here. Oh my goodness! It's like a whole stack of kitties. Hey, doggy, get in here. Get in. No! Come on! Let's celebrate. Guys, we found. Should we adopt these guys, Booby? Is it okay? Is it okay if we get all these? Hey guys, do you want me to adopt you? Say yes, so let's do it. And first, we're gonna celebrate. Yeah! Gonna find la fiesta. Don't stop the party. After party, looks like we're done now. Oh goodness! No, we need to get out of here. Boots, follow me. Come on, let's get out of here, guys. Stay in there. Oh no, you can't stay with me. You're not. I will adopt you, but Boots, come on. Oh shit, I forgot to lock the door. Come on, we need to get out of here. I need to turn on. Oh, we'll turn on the news, okay, guys? You guys, I'll turn on the news. I need to turn on the news, okay? Come on, puppy, we need to get in. We don't want to get lightning by thunderstorm. I don't want to die. Wait. Now I gotta turn news. Now, I gotta turn on the news. Now. Boom. National news happens immediately. Hey everybody, welcome back to National News. A blizzard's coming to our way to the village. So this is what you need to do. I'll tell you. First, get food immediately. Second, get what is it? Yeah, get a shelter. Stay warm. If you're outside, go inside immediately. And in case you need to get something for food, hurry up. So this is Villager 999 signing off. Oh shoot, we need to hide here. Man, it's been like 3 days now. No, we're dead. We're dead. Let's stay in here. Man, y'all help me. God, what do you do? Oh shit, I think I can see a big wind. I don't have my shield. I left in the... I'll get it. I'll just cover it. Oh, hey, villager. Oh. What happened? Oh, sorry, villager. What? Okay, Boop, stay here. This might be dangerous for you. I should turn on the news. National news happens today. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's day 5. It was been snowing 5 days. Thank you for battling, everybody. The blizzard is just gone. He's going to Antarctica. So don't worry, if you're in Antarctica, you're dead. Okay. Let's look at the damage. the whole day. It was beautiful, but not look at the mess. A tree got knocked down. Oh, trees got knocked down, but not them. Only one of them got knocked down because it was close to the village. All of these trees survived. Some of them got full of snow. Ravines got full as well. Now, there's a ravine, but down underneath our village, you see that snow is floating because it could have. Because this is strong snow, it can't melt because if it needs to melt, it will melt only if it rains for 10 or 15 days. The whole village got this. Some places have been that didn't have any snow, that much snow in the top of their roofs because the snow was falling up because the hard winds. When it stopped, recently the snow was when it stopped, it made a when it was in. After 3 days, a big blew up this tree. It was this way. It blew up the tree, except the igloo here. You see the igloo over here? It got saved because it's full of snow already, so it doesn't need to. But the whole village got flooded by snow. Some places that didn't got snowed because they were getting hidden, but some of them is because the air was shooting them. So the whole village got flooded by snow. There was a river right here, but it got freeze because it couldn't hold it up. This river then got freeze because it melted fast because right here is like 5 or 10 degrees. Over there, like 70 or 80 degrees. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Some places have been not snow that much. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for calculated. The news didn't got hit, but some of our news reporters died because they were reporting while they were in the snowstorm because the wind blew them away. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is BLIZZARD 999 again signing off. Oh no, the place got hit by. Oh no! Wow, it's full of snow. Should we check around? No, you stay here. I don't want to leave you, buddy. You should come with me, cause you're gonna bodyguard me, cause I don't want an iron golem to kill me for no reason. Just look at the damage. I'll first get my jacket, so come back. I will get my jacket, guys. Okay, got my jacket again. Got my jacket ready to go on an adventure again, but in this terrible how are you coming? Are you sure? Okay, come on. Are you coming? Are you coming? We need to check out the animals. Oh no. Bootsy, you can stay at home if you wanna. Are you guys okay? One of you got balloon. Okay, let's go check around the world now. It got all destroyed again. Why another disaster today? Why? Just why? Again? Like, it's gonna. Oh. Okay, polar bear. Okay, what? Okay, let me see what one I just see. Yeah, I'm getting stuck in here because there's a lot of snow. Let's see what else. Wait, guys. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know just why. I don't know why this has just happened. Oh my goodness, that tree got knocked over. The grass, the roots. Oh, good thing that's still alive. Good, that's good. That's just good. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of snow here. Some of you animals got died or whatever. I don't know why it just happened. I don't know why, but why did it happen for a reason? Why did it happen for a reason? I don't know why. It's got flooded. Okay, some trees didn't got knocked out. Good, that's good. We need some air. Okay, poopy. Poor village. I don't know what just happened, but the whole village got flooded. Okay, we're done now. Let's go home. It's gonna take a bit longer. Okay, made it back home. Man, did you saw? Wow, there's a lot of snow, but some people will get happy because you gotta do snowmans. Yeah, I would do. I get happy. Okay, let's get in back in. Let's get some hot fresh. I can't believe what just happened. Yeah, like good thing the door's not flooded. But what are we gonna do? So we're gonna move on to a different village because this village got flooded by it got flooded by snow. We should never come back here. You know, we should go back to the village if they fix it all again. I want to if they fix it because I wanna go back. I wanna go back home, but with a lot of kitties and a lot of dogs. No, I don't wanna go. But I need to. Guys, it's another snow day. Oh man, some few families have died, but no, there's no funeral today. Good thing, cause that funeral was so sad. Remember, guys, second part of Meteors. Just watch it if you didn't watch it, cause that's the first season of I don't know what it's called. Okay, whatever. We still have some food. We don't have that many food. We grabbed some few snowballs so we can play this in the snow. We have some few what do we have? We have snowball. I need some few of the potatoes and I give it to my dog because he was so hungry. I lost my steak as I already ate it all with my dog. I don't know why did I eat it all. What do we do now? Oh, it's gonna start snowing again. Okay, doggy, stay here. I'm gonna go check around the world. How is it going? Okay, it's starting to rain here. The snow is not melting. I'm gonna go back home in case it gets cold. I don't want it to get cold. There's so many places I've been snowed. Okay, let's go in here. Okay. Let's see if it melts. It doesn't look like the rain it melted the snow. It's only like rain for 4 days, so it needed to rain like 6 days more. Man, like it's a ton of snow. Oh, guys, this is the end of the video. If you want to see first part and the second part, this is the third part. If you want to see more, the next disaster one will come up in when it's gonna be could be on tomorrow, or I think that it will come until not July, guys. July is gonna be a long time until how about until Wednesday. There's gonna be another series of the disaster. We already did meteors. Now we did the blizzard. Next one will be you guys guess. Tell me in the comments what disaster you want me to do now. Not the blizzard and the meteors, because I already did those ones. If you want to see both of them, subscribe to me, and it will check. You will see that I'm posting new videos. So goodbye, guys. Man, that was a sad day today. It snowed again. Okay, don't give us a bye again. Are you nervous, Juan? You already ate food. We don't need to eat anymore. We'll get everything cleaned except that it will take forever. They will clean the tree, but it's gonna take a while. So yeah, say goodbye, doggy. Okay, goodbye, guys. Bye bye. So long, peeps. Teehee.